You are going to love the 2018 Charger. Inject some versatility, comfort, and sophistication into your muscle. The Charger is a powerful sedan that excites at every turn. Peace of mind comes standard with Charger's 5-star government front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, compass. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.